In this video, I will show you how to add blank pages to PDF file in Adobe Acrobat without any stress. Let me show you how. Just like what you see right there, this particular PDF right there, you can decide to add blank pages to before or after any page in your PDF file right there. So how do you do that? First thing first is open the PDF file in your Adobe Acrobat, and the next thing you want to do is to navigate to all two right here, and then go ahead and click on Organize Pages. Under the Organize Pages, it's going to take you right here. Now you can decide to add your blank pages anywhere in the document. So for that, we want to make sure we navigate to Insert tab right here, and then you want to make sure you click on Blank Page, and this is going to pump up right here. Now you can decide to add blank page after the first page or before the first page, just like so. So if I decide to add this to before the first page, it simply means that it's going to be before the first page. If I decide to add it to the after the first page, it simply means that it's going to be replace the second page right here, where the second page will turn to third page, just like so. And the next thing you want to do, you can determine the number of blank page you want to add right here. We can decide to add about 2 blank pages right here, and then the next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and hit on OK, and boom, you have your pages being added right here, just like so. So if you go back to the page right here, you have your blank page right here. It's that simple. And then you can rearrange the page as the case may be. Go ahead and click on Organize Page. Then you can decide to rearrange, just drag the page to anywhere you want it to be, just like what you see right here. So I can move the page 1 to this part right here, just like so. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks about how best to use Adobe Acrobat Editor, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.